Welcome to Ngobotonte Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Aitada. This is Ngobotonte Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 4, St. Eloi Lupopo 5. My brother, how's it?
I'm good, Jenny.
I'm good, thanks, man. What's your take on the game today?
Thibo abutaka ke tebo gone.
Yeah.
Game ya ke tswa ke le Limpopo ha go shiphoko le raphahlela.
Yeah.
Ke pika game ya today. I get no one to blame.
Yeah.
Ke happy ka di players ntwe ba yentseng. Ke happy ka coach ntwe a yentseng.
Yeah.
Re tlile mo ntwe ne re batla it was 3 point. 3 goals. 3 point, 3 goals. And clean sheet kaofela tsona we were good on clean sheet. Ara consider. Re tlile mo ntwe re batlang it was 3 point, 3 goals and a clean sheet.
Exactly. Yeah.
We managed to dominate those things. The only thing eba yentseng kombombela while they were playing again for Bafana. Auna mtwelu maybe bile wrong, but prove wrong or what they did at Mbombela to take Bafana to the World Cup because it was a must win for Bafana and a must 3 goals for Bafana. They came back here. They showed us that they can do it again. Another 3 goals, another clean sheet, another 3 point. They gave us those things.
Yeah. So don't blame anyone.
I don't blame anyone because even me, I can miss a penalty.
Anyone, Ronaldo, Messi.
Messi can miss a penalty.
They do. Yeah.
If Barcelona can lose, Real Madrid can lose, Manchester can lose, even Sundowns can lose, even Kaizer Chiefs can lose. Even Pirates can lose. This is CAF. Last CAF we took Al Ahly out.
Exactly.
To show that if anyone can come out of CAF.
And you lost to the semi-finals.
And we lose to the semi-finals. Today, Orlando it was clean sheet. It was 3 goals. It was 3 points. And I get it all of them get it towards. When you go to the penalties, I got no one to point in fingers. Kilotari. Everyone know Wavaya Oyaga super bet. Pirates will win. Kila today Pirates will score 3 goals.
And they win.
And he told nobody can tell teams anyone maybe I wish the win. Ke happy. Country Pirates yentseng. Ke guntate khoza. Bashimane ba gago re tla kopana le bona Tuesday re beka behind bona re ba support re ba fe courage re ya pele mapagania
number 1 Bagania.